We are Igarashi Electric Works from Japan. We would like to introduce the resolver we developed. These are resolvers. A key feature of our resolver is coilless technology. Instead of using the coil, we deploy flexible printed circuit. As you can see, there is no coil used and its structure is very simple. As a result, our resolver is very small and affordable. Of course, the size of the resolver is flexible to offer a different size of resolver based on your requirement. Next, here is IGDC brush motor. Any IGDC brush motor can be used. By adding IG resolver, DC brush motor can be used as a DC servo motor, a part of IG DC servo motor system. Next, here is a demonstration kit of IG DC servo motor system. Let us look at the detail. This is our IG DC brush motor with resolver installed. This is printed circuit assembly consists of resolver controller and motor driver. This is power supply. Next, let's show you the demonstration. First, turn the power on and the motor itself return to 0 point. Since the motor is servo-locked, though we are about to rotate the motor itself return to 0 point. Resolution of our resolver is 4096 pulses per rotation. Next, this display shows the actual count of position. Since the motor is at 0 point, the counter shows 0. When the motor is rotated, the counter will increment accordingly up to 4096 pulses. Now the 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, and return to 0. So please let us explain the buttons and its operation. When this button is pressed, the motor will rotate 90 degrees clockwise direction by step feed. When this button is pressed, motor will rotate 90 degrees in counterclockwise direction. When this button is pressed, motor will rotate at its maximum speed clockwise. After release the button, motor will stop immediately at its 0 point. When this button is pressed, motor will rotate at its maximum speed counterclockwise. After release the button, motor will stop at its 0 position. As you know, since the resolver is absolute sensor and the system detects and remembers its own position, the motor returns to 0 point even after the motor was rotated during the power is off. Lastly, regarding this printed circuit assembly, both resolver controller and motor driver circuit will be implemented on 5mm square IC chip at mass production. So we'd like to conclude explanation of our ID resolver demonstration kit. Thank you.